Princess Lian. We love you so much. Be kind, be good, and good fortune in the future. We love you, Princess Lian. Happy birthday!
Happy 7th birthday, Lian! Wishing you with more heavenly days like this. Aral ng mabuti. And laging makinig kay mommy at kay daddy. Study well, baby. Happy 7th birthday.
I know we can find adventure by ourselves. Baby, do you think it's true? It's true.
Hi, Lian! Happy 7th birthday! God bless you. Love you. Mamita is here. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Lian. May wish you happy birthday, good health.
I don't care how long it takes to go. We're going somewhere that is wonderful. Take my hand, don't ever let me go.
Hello, Lian! Happy birthday, our little princess. Love na love ka namin.
Hi, Lian! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki ka ng maayos at matakot sa Diyos. Enjoy your big day!
Hi, Lian! Happy birthday and always smile. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lian!
At the top of a mountain, it may be at the edge of an ocean.
Happy birthday, Lian! God bless you!
Life is waiting for you. I don't care how long it takes to go.
Happy birthday, Lian. Stay what you are and stay healthy. God bless. Happy birthday, Lian.
Take my hand, don't ever let me go. We're going somewhere that is magical, somewhere beautiful.
Hey, Lian. Sabihin ko lang na happy birthday ha. Kahit makulit ka sa akin at nangangasar ka, alam ko lang na pinapatawa mo lang ako. Happy birthday, Lian. I wish you have a very, very nice 7th birthday. I'll always love you.
I wanna see a stranger and assume that they could be a
Si
friend.
Lian, parang sweet siya. Tapos habang lumalaki, nagiging makulit na kasi syempre may magulo. Pero sweet siya. Tapos wala naman kayong problema sa kanya nung lumalaki kasi. Kasama ko naman si kuya niya na mag-alaga sa kanya. Si kuya niya din na nag-aalaga sa kanya.
To be a child again, feel good inside my skin.
Hi, Lian! Happy 7th birthday to our wonderful daughter. Watching you grow has been the most incredible journey, and we are so proud of the amazing person you are becoming. You are laughter, light of our lives, and your kindness touches everyone around you. We love you more than words we can say. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Being wilder to be a child again.
kuya niya sa amin, kahit kanino, parang yung kakakilala, kahit bagong tao sa kanya, naaanuhan niya agad ng loob. Tapos lagi siyang nag-hi, lagi siyang nag-smile.
Sweet lang siya sa inyo.
Sa inyo.
Sa akin hindi.
Sweet siya kay papa niya pag may kailangan.
May kailangan lang yun. Sweet sa
To be a child again, feel good inside
friendly talaga. Tapos, sabi nga nila, magulo talaga. Ikot siya ng ikot.
Cheerful.
Just cheerful.
Beautiful. When we grow up, we can forget so much.
Hi, Lian. Happy 7th birthday. Wish namin matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo paglaki. Always pray lang kay Papa God, and then minsan makinig kay Mama at kay Papa, kay Kuya din. So, masyadong bigyan ng like kasi lagi silang nag-aaway. Enjoy your party na lang. We love you. Happy 7th birthday, Lian. We love you.